alarm nice and early today because I had a gut feeling that Terra Luna Classic was going to do something completely wild, and it has done it. Look at this. We've been saying on this channel 0.00052 is a key technical price target, and bam, we did it. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. I am so happy to see this results, especially the technical analysis play out. $3.2 billion market cap now. I remember a few weeks ago we had like a 500 million, already done a 6x and beyond a 10x from the price levels of June. So this is absolutely crazy now, and it is just getting to the point where I'm trying to even think of what to say next. It's getting more difficult as the price goes up because it becomes harder to be a bull almost, in my opinion. So yeah, it's absolutely mental. I'm really happy, and let's have a look at why. This is some of the latest news in the industry that you really need to know about. So Luna Classic burn just got an official date, ladies and gents. This is super important if you're holding or considering holding Luna. As we see, the 1.2% burn tax of Terra Luna Classic already has an official date. The project suggested, pardon me, a few days ago will become an official proposal in the Terra community foreseeably before September 10, and its activation will take place on or before September 20. So that's the key date right there. This means that it will be this very month of September when we will see the new Luna burning tax applied to all transactions that are made about the Terra Luna Classic crypto. That's 1.2% of all transactions will be sent to a project burn wallet. The 1.2% Luna burn tax will be activated before September 20. So we can see here's a tweet. This is the official dates for the proposal to activate the 1.2% burn. Given the state of the applications, a parameter, let's quickly hop into the Twitter over here. Where are we? A parameter change proposal will be created on or before September 10 if the tax and burn should pass. The target activation epoch is 94 block height, 9.475 million on or around September 20. So that's super critical information there for you guys. I just wanted to tell you about that. I do apologize for the sort of dopiness in my voice right now. I am kind of sleepy, but I just wanted to get this video out there whilst it's nice and hot. So what's happening, crypto bubbles? Things are green again, up and down, like a yo-yo over here. More bipolar than my other half when it's her time of the month, to be honest. So this is pretty crazy. Luna Classic, and she's gonna kill me for saying that if she hears this. Luna Classic up 47%. Helium up 28%, EOS up 17%, looking amazing. So Luna Classic, right now we broke through the 0.00044 level, right? That's really critical. And we were saying just yesterday, we were live actually, we were in a live stream saying, come on, we're going to get this bounce. We're so going to retest this resistance one more time. We retested it, we broke through. We said that this was a completely, with a 1.618 extension here, was a very integral resistance level, and look at that. We just bounced pretty much off of it. Now we're sort of just finding support, floating around this 1.618 extension, and to be honest, I think this is where it just gets very difficult to kind of understand what might happen next. I can feel this client want to crash on me. I can feel it want to crash on me. So yeah, this is mental now. Can we even begin to measure swing high, swing low? That was an 89% pump. This swing low to swing high presented a 63% pump. That's wild, to be honest. That's wild. If we look at the corrective phases between, we can see this phase was about a 27% correction on that particular swing. I think this was sort of like a 26% correction or something. It was a bit more. I can't actually get it down there. About 25% correction. So we had these 27 and 25% corrections followed by these massive euphoric pumps. As you can see, pump, we corrected. Where did we correct down to on this particular pump? If we take this swing low to swing high, we can see we came down to the 0.5 Fibonacci, right? The current pump, we've not really corrected from this particular level. So I'm very excited to see whether we can hold this position. Of course, we've now flipped this key level into support, and that also means that we've got a new support level that we've made just right here. So we've got loads of support now. We've got this lovely impulse wave. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see we're not even that oversold, overbought on the RSI. It's not that bad, but it does look like one great big bearish divergence. So this is what I mean by it's invalidating traditional technical analysis, because look at the highs on this RSI as we put through higher lows, and the price structure is putting through higher highs. It's like a classic bearish divergence. Usually that's quite a bearish thing. I do think the bubble will eventually burst. This can only move for so long. But then another part of me thinks, well, because the supply will be getting burned, maybe it's truly enough of a fundamental or a protocol upgrade to actually maintain this kind of price structure and the mechanics behind this. So you can see what's happening almost every time is that we are coming up, we're retesting 20-day moving average, we're coming up again, we're retesting this 20-day moving average, the blue line, and then we're coming up again. So are we just going to retest the 20-day moving average once we sort of trade sideways and held a skelter for a little while, then we change the color so it matches? Are we just going to come back down and retest at like 0.00046 before making continuation to the upside? So there's always that to consider as well. Really, really crazy. Price target for the next run, guys, for me is going to be probably, we'll go for the 1414 this time, the 0.00057. Remember, the return slightly diminished per wave. As the market cap gets higher, it is harder to put through those, you know, big pumps. And there it is. I knew it was coming. Guys, if you're new to the channel, by the way, make sure you hop into the Discord. Got a growing community here. You can find it all down below. Check out every single link whilst you're here. It's free educational content in the crypto bear market. And how is Luna doing since the low of June? Let's have a look together now, shall we? Because this is just mental. June 9 was the significant date. You'd be up 1,200 big percent if you got in June 9. So that's crazy. $1,000 would have been $12,000. $12,000 or $10,000 would have been $120,000. So that's evidence that you can make a lot of money in a bear market, guys. Is it worth even connecting this and this? Not really, probably not. That's quite interesting though, look at that. No, I don't like that. But yeah, I think this is crazy, guys. Bollinger Bands, very overextended once again. So I do expect a pullback of some kind. I don't expect another continuous wave. Because if we look at this, we can see this was the real phase where things quietened down. This right here is where we had that sort of silence for Terra Luna Classic. And we also had more silence around here, and it's those silent periods where you start to get that explosive movement. So if we can get like another silent period where we're just simply consolidating, if we got that around here, because things can slow down again quite quickly, we want to look for another squeeze in the Bollinger Band. When we get that squeeze, it's when we can effectively hope for a massive indecisive move to the upside or the downside. So that's what I'm really hoping for here with Terra Luna Classic. I think, you know, the bulls are obviously back in control. This is really, really crazy. Rank 26 now, Terra Luna Classic doing crazy things, climbing the crypto ladder. I think we are going to sail our way through to the top 20 position quite soon. Luna Classic, back at it, smashing through, making some big waves. Crazy scenes over here, guys. So yeah, really excited. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, what are we, 20? Luna Classic don't care about that. Luna Classic don't give no shits about fear in the market. Luna Classic is its own bull run. It might as well be its own market right now, separate to all crypto entities. It's just absolutely insane. You lovely people, you subscribe to the channel, like, comment down below. Yeah, do all those YouTubey things.